I'm Anil Kumar, and in these set of videos, we are actually exploring quadratic functions in different forms. Question here is, without graphing, label the key features of the following quadratic relations. Features given to us for this particular function is x-intercepts, equation of axis of symmetry, direction of opening, maximum minimum value, and vertex. We are given quadratic equation in factored form. So whenever you are given equation in factored form, it is very easy to find the x-intercepts, and that's the reason why it is written right in the very beginning. So what are the x-intercepts for this function? X-intercepts are the values where y becomes 0. That means these two factors should become 0, right? So which we normally calculate as x minus 7 equals to 0. That gives us x equals to 7. This is one x-intercept. The other one is x plus 3 equals to 0. That gives us x equals to minus 3. So the x-intercepts here are, you can write here clearly, which is 7 is the x value, y value 0. The other one is at minus 3, 0. So, or you can say x-intercepts are at x equals to 7 and x equals to minus 3, right? So you can straight away read from the equation. Now the second question is equation of axis of symmetry. Now, since we have these two x-intercepts known to us, axis is midway between them, right? So axis is midway between the x-intercepts. So axis will be at, you can add them, divide by 2. So 7 plus minus 3 divide by 2. So when you add them, you get 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So the axis is x equals to 2. That vertical line, the equation is always x equals to. Remember that part. Direction of opening. The sign here with 5 is negative. That negative sign indicates that it opens downwards. Now maximum or minimum value. Since the parabola opens downwards, we are expecting a maximum value, right? We already found that the axis is at x equals to 2, right? Now to find the value, what we should do? We have to substitute 2 in the equation, right? So we'll substitute 2 and calculate. So we get y equals to minus 5 times 2 minus 7 times 2 plus 3. Now let's calculate. It's minus 5 times 2 minus 7 is minus 5, and that is again 5. So 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. Sign is positive, right? So 125. So that is the maximum value. So we can write maximum value is 125, correct? Now the vertex. Vertex is the maximum value on the axis. So the vertex for us is 2, 125. So that is how you can read, and with small calculations like we have shown here, you can get a lot of characteristics about the quadratic function from the given equation in factored form. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.